My name is Kristen Nace. I'm Director of Fiscal Services with the Texas A&M Health Science Center. We wanted to actually be able to have a piece of software that could take the document and move it through the stream or process for us so that we could actually get the most bang for our dollar and not just an electronic filing cabinet. The A&M University, the main campus, had organized about a year ago a committee to determine if there was in fact a single enterprise content management system or document management system that could be endorsed and utilized across the campus. They had a time and a situation where several offices on that campus had acquired their own, sometimes different, document management system. But the decision was made to go with Laserfish because of its versatility, because of the user friendliness, and because of cost. It seemed like Laserfish was the product that could get everybody what they needed with reasonable cost and in a reasonable time frame. The other factor there was A&M has a very large information technology division, and that division was not interested in having many more demands placed on them in order to operate or support new software for document management purposes. So this is great because Laserfish is not the kind of product that requires a lot of IT involvement. So that was one of the major selling points behind it. Yes, IT is involved. Yes, the hardware belongs to them and is controlled by them, but all of the user support, all of the training, all of the security can be done outside of IT, and that was just great. A workflow was big for us because it identified backlogs and jams in the process that we didn't know that existed, but it also enabled us to replace things like that contract software, the logs, and the Excel spreadsheet. All of those things were replaced because Laserfish can do that for us. You know, no longer do we need to log the fact that we sent it for review by the Vice President for Research. We know that by looking at a folder and a template field in Laserfish. We can see how long the Vice President for Research has had the document, and we can also see when everyone else who was asked to reply or to review that document, when they actually did it as well. Now it's funny because our president, she got word of this and she thought it would be a great idea to create an audit trail report just to see how long her vice presidents were taking in reviewing those contracts. On one particular Friday evening, it was interesting because our vice president for finance was out in the parking lot talking with me. I made comment to him that there were some new contracts that had just been dropped off in his inbox. Being that it was Friday afternoon, he didn't want to wait until Monday morning to sign those, so he went back into the office to sign them. He knew his president was going to be paying attention to that turnaround time on the reviews. In the university environment, it's important to dedicate as much space as possible to classrooms and to research space. A lot of our funding comes from that ratio. So with Laserfish, we've been able to reduce the amount of administration space and impact and further expand the amount of research and classroom space we have. And the state loves that. One of the keys for us was to move from a paper environment to a paperless environment.